Hi everyone, welcome to my screencast. Today I will be showing you how to calculate the third question of the homework assignment for Draw to Scale. So the question here is 8 meters by 430 centimeters and its scale is 3 centimeters equals to 1 meter. The first step is to convert our units. So as you can see, 8 meters is already in meters and so we do not need to convert anything there. However, for 430 centimeters, we need to convert it to meters. And we can do that by dividing 430 by 100, which gives us 4.3 meters. The next step is to multiply 4.3 meters by 3 centimeters, which gives us 12.9 centimeters. And we do the exact same thing for the 8 meters. And we multiply 8 meters by 3 centimeters and we get 24 centimeters. And that is our draw to scale, as you can see right here, 12.9 centimeters by 24 centimeters. So you must be thinking, well, how is that drawn to scale? And exactly how it's written here, as you can see, the width is 12.9 centimeters and the length is 24 centimeters.